You mess up now, you
Go.
home.
Flying trapeze!
Yes.
Oh my Jesus! Look at his face! Look at his face!
Okay.
Ouch! You can see smiling legs. Zoom out.
Ow.
Wait, after the first ever flying trapeze, how do you guys feel?
Did you break something? I was waiting for that to happen.
Oh my god! That's what happens when you shake around.
It's hanging on by the wire.
Didn't I tell you this would happen? I told them this would happen.
Okay.
I told them this would
Ezra's not allowed
happen.
to have the light bulb in his light anymore.
Oh my god. Jinking around leads only to problems. This is the video proof.
Children, let this be a lesson for you. No jinking after 12:30.
Jinking around.
Not 12:30. No way.